Good morning, welcome to Porsche Owner Portsmouth. My name is Lewis, I'm one of the sales consultants here, and today I just wanted to discuss with you about Porsche Connect and what that means to you as a customer and what you actually get as part of the package. So, taking that into account, so as part of buying a new car here, you get 2 years subscription from a new car. And what them services are in Porsche Connect are, it gives you your navigation plus, your voice search, your online services on the car, your satellite navigation, that sort of thing, and your real-time traffic control. So this tutorial is just going to show you exactly how to set it up as quickly as possible and give you a quick insight of how it works as well. So here we go. So now you've bought your new car, amazing news, and you put the order in and it's nearly coming to collection day, and you need to activate your Porsche Connect services on the car. So where this happens is you receive an email from My Porsche, so your email that you provided to the centre, and then what happens is that email is to you and it's an activation email. If you don't receive this, just want to contact the salesperson that you bought the car off, they'll be more than happy to push it through to you and hopefully you receive that with no problems at all. Sometimes it appears in your junk, so just be careful with that, but I'll just show you exactly what the email looks like now. So when you select the email, it just says please activate your Porsche ID account, and what you do from there is just click the activate your Porsche account. Once you go through to that, it will just open My Porsche and to create the account on the online. So it just pops up like this. So once you've done that, you will then have also provided a phone number to Porsche Centre, which is, in this case, the ending in 1036. And what that means is they send over a confirmation code to that phone. And once they've done that, just an example, you'll get a text come through within 10 to 15 seconds, and then you just input that code into the website as shown. Once you've done that, you start creating a password and going through the step-to-step guide of exactly how to activate your services, as shown on the screen now. Change your username, just make sure you accept all the terms and conditions and create the ID account. So once you've done this, it does not mean that you've activated your services. This means you've created the Porsche ID account. So the next step is to activate the services. And to do this, you just click continue on to activation. And that will pull all the services and show that the free time remaining and that it being free as well. Once you've done that, you just click I have read the acceptance terms and conditions and activate now. This will just show you confirmation to say that you've activated it, and then all your services are activated on the car. So to actually now activate them on the car, I'll show you to do that now. Cool, so now it's come to collection day. Great news. Just want to set it up in the car now. So you have the choice to either give the pairing code to your sales consultant for them to do, or if you want to do it on collection, that's absolutely fine, on handover. So to find the pairing code, it's very simple. So once you've got we're in the Macan Turbo as it stands. So to find the actual pairing code, really simple, is going to My Account, and straight at the top you have the pairing code, which you can input into the car. So we'll just show you how to input into the car now, to give you the easiest way to set it up. So here we go. So when you first set up the car, when you first start it up, this is exactly how it's going to show you on the PCM screen. So starting with your language settings, it's English, so just go straight through. Searching for a Bluetooth phone if needed, you can just search and it will search on and connect onto the phone automatically. We haven't got one to do today, so just clicking next. It does have a data connection because you've got an integrated SIM card in the new cars. Just clicking next again, you've got your pairing code. So this is the one you get off the phone, so the one you input off the phone, the one you gave to your sales consultant or to do yourself, which is 16 for us, 151341, and it's only specific for the person for their ID. So this will then link their Porsche ID account, and it will also activate all the services in the car. You can see login successful, and you can connect your destinations, save the memory, It's really simple, really easy to do. Once you've done that, complete installation and you're all good to go. So thank you for taking time to watch the video. If you get any questions, just let me know. I'm more than happy to help. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye bye.